16 hidden cruise tricks the cruise lines don't want you to know. The cruise companies will never tell you, but seasoned travelers sure will. There's a whole hidden world of secrets, small hacks, and perks that most passengers completely overlook. Some are tiny tweaks that make your trip way smoother. Others will change the way you cruise forever, like how to score free perks after boarding or discover quiet spots almost nobody uses. This isn't your typical cruise tips video. These are the secrets that insiders quietly rely on and that cruise lines hope you never find out. And number 16, you'll finally learn how to avoid the chaos of crowded buffets on embarkation day. Let's jump in.
Number 1. Skip the buffet frenzy. Most first-time cruisers think the buffet is the first stop when they're aboard the ship. It seems easy and quick, but here's the secret. The main dining room is often open early, and most people don't even know it. It's a calm, full-service restaurant where you can sit, relax, and enjoy a proper meal without carrying trays or waiting in long lines. The staff will serve you your favorite dishes, and the quality is usually better than the crowded buffet. Starting your cruise here gives you a quiet, relaxing experience before the chaos begins. You can enjoy your food, chat with your travel companions, and take in the elegant dining atmosphere while other passengers are still juggling trays at the buffet.
Number 2. Free balcony breakfast hack. Here's a little known trick that makes your morning special. Many cruise ships allow passengers to order a continental breakfast to their cabin for free. You can use the door hanger menu or call room service early in the morning to request coffee, pastries, fruit, and juice. Then, enjoy your breakfast right on your balcony while watching the ocean. Imagine sitting there with a warm cup of coffee, the gentle breeze on your face, and the waves below, all in complete privacy. No crowds, no rush, and no waiting for a table. It's especially perfect if you're an early riser or want a peaceful start to your day while everyone else is fighting for a spot at the crowded buffet downstairs.
Number 3. Hidden decks for the best views. Most passengers spend their time on the main deck for sunbathing, taking photos, or watching the ocean. But here's a secret. Hidden decks near the front, bow, or aft of the ship often offer incredible views and are nearly empty. Walk around quietly and explore unmarked doors or side stairwells to discover these private spots. Just make sure you never enter areas marked crew only. These hidden decks are perfect for sunrise or sunset photos, filming the ship arriving at a port, or simply enjoying the sea breeze in peace. Once you find them, your cruise experience changes completely, giving you moments of calm and beauty that most passengers never notice, making your memories even more special.
Number 4. Ship libraries and lounges are free for everyone. Many travelers don't realize that quiet lounges and small libraries on board are often open to all passengers and usually empty. These little-known spaces are perfect for relaxing with a book, playing a board game, or simply enjoying some peace away from the crowds. Unlike the pool or main decks, these spots are rarely busy and give you a calm atmosphere to recharge your energy. They're often tucked away, not listed in the daily schedules, and overlooked by most cruisers. If you ask guest services, they can tell you where these hidden gems are. Spending even an hour in a quiet lounge or library lets you rest, enjoy some calm, and take a break from the busier areas of the ship.
Number 5. Back-to-back cruise perks. If you're lucky enough to book 2 or more cruises in a row, there's a hidden advantage most passengers miss. Let the ship staff know early that you're staying on board for consecutive trips. Many cruise lines give back-to-back passengers perks like skipping long lines during disembarkation and tender boat boarding, early access to lounges, or even private seating while the ship is being prepared for the next voyage. These perks save time, reduce stress, and make the transition between cruises feel smooth and effortless. Some passengers have even received small onboard credits or surprise treats just for mentioning their consecutive cruises. The key is to tell guest services early, be polite, and show appreciation. Doing so can make your next cruise feel almost effortless. Number 6. Night Owl Snack Hack. Most cruisers think that food is finished once the buffet and main restaurants close. But here's the insider tip. Many ships keep snack stations open late at night. From pizza and sandwiches to light desserts, these hidden options are perfect for night owls, teens, or anyone craving a post-show snack. It's free with your fare, included in your ticket, and a quiet alternative to crowded restaurants. Instead of heading to expensive specialty restaurants late at night, you can grab a quick bite and head to your cabin or lounge for privacy. Knowing the locations of these secret stations makes late-night cravings easy to handle. Once you try it, you'll realize it's one of the most underrated cruise hacks for comfortable, no-cost snacking.
Number 7. Secret room service upgrades. Sometimes your cabin isn't perfect. Maybe there's engine noise, minor vibrations, or a faint odor. Don't worry, you don't have to live with it. Many cruise ships quietly accommodate passengers if other cabins are available. The trick is to ask reception politely and early. If rooms are free, staff may move you to a quieter spot, better view, or even offer a surprise upgrade. Acting quickly increases your chances because once the ship fills up, options become limited. Many seasoned cruisers have gotten balcony cabins or cabins in a calmer area simply by politely requesting a change. It's an easy way to improve your cruise experience without paying more, and it's a perk that most passengers never know exists.
Number 8. Hidden drink stations. Not everyone realizes that most ships have free drink stations scattered throughout the decks. These often include water, iced tea, lemonade, and sometimes coffee. You don't need the expensive soda or drink packages if you know where these stations are. Bring a reusable cup or bottle and you can refill throughout the day while staying hydrated and saving money. Many passengers never notice these hidden stations, especially those who assume drinks are only available at bars or included in a package. Knowing this simple trick gives you freedom, saves cash, and keeps your crew-free day relaxed. It's perfect for families, teens, or anyone who wants quick, free hydration without running to the buffet or waiting for room service. Number 9. Flexible kitchen orders. Most cruisers assume they are limited to what's printed on the menu, but here's the secret. The ship's kitchen is much more flexible than it seems. If you want something simple like mashed potatoes, extra vegetables, or even plain rice, politely ask your server. Many kitchens are happy to accommodate reasonable requests, especially if you ask early in the meal. This tip is especially helpful for families with picky eaters or passengers with dietary restrictions. The key is politeness and timing. Servers appreciate courtesy and will often go the extra mile. Some passengers have even requested off-menu desserts or special breakfast items and received them without extra charge. Knowing this trick makes every meal more enjoyable and personalized, giving you a real VIP dining experience.
Number 10. Crew-only shortcuts. On larger ships, there are hidden hallways, stairwells, and service corridors that VIPs and suite passengers often use to skip crowds. Most regular passengers never see them, but they can save you a lot of time during boarding, disembarkation, or tender transfers at ports. The trick is simple. Ask guest services politely if you can use these paths. Sometimes they will grant access, especially if you're staying in a suite or booked consecutive cruises. Walking these secret corridors feels like going backstage during a show. While everyone else waits in long lines, you quietly move through the ship. It's a subtle insider advantage that can make your day smoother, avoid stress, and give you more time to enjoy the ship or shore excursions.
Number 11. Laundry deals you'll miss. Many passengers pay full price for onboard laundry without realizing cruise lines often have hidden laundry deals. Most ships offer a fixed price special for filling an entire laundry bag, usually much cheaper than paying for each item individually. The catch is it's rarely advertised. It won't appear in daily schedules, cabin TVs, or announcements. The trick is to ask your cabin steward politely at the start of your trip. Knowing the day the special is offered allows you to plan ahead, pack smart, and save money, especially on longer cruises. For passengers staying more than a week, this one tip can make a noticeable difference in your budget while keeping your clothes fresh and ready. Number 12, silent disco and unique entertainment. Not all cruise entertainment is listed on the schedule. Many ships host silent discos, pop-up shows, or small interactive events that are completely free and often overlooked. At a silent disco, you wear headphones and choose your own music channel while dancing with other passengers, creating a fun and unique party experience. These hidden events aren't always advertised, so the trick is to check the daily newsletter, cabin TVs, or ask guest services. Discovering these activities makes your cruise more memorable because you're seeing what most passengers completely miss. Whether it's an impromptu karaoke, themed game, or hidden performance, these surprises add a special touch to your vacation and make you feel like a true insider.
Number 13, shore excursions can be cheaper. Many first-time cruisers automatically book excursions through the cruise line, assuming it's the easiest option. While convenient, these tours are often twice as expensive as what local operators offer. The hidden secret is that many local guides run the exact same tours at a fraction of the cost. By doing a little research before your cruise, reading reviews, checking schedules, and confirming pickup times, you can save hundreds of dollars while enjoying smaller groups and a more authentic experience. Some local operators even know the ship's schedule perfectly, so you won't miss departure. This tip is especially useful for families, solo travelers, or anyone looking to stretch their vacation budget without sacrificing quality or convenience. A little homework goes a long way.
Number 14, spa thermal pass hack. Cruise spas often advertise expensive treatments, and many passengers assume full packages are the only way to enjoy them. Here's a secret. Many ships sell single-day passes to the thermal suite at a much lower cost. This includes saunas, steam rooms, heated lounges, and sometimes even jacuzzis. You don't need to book massages or beauty treatments to enjoy a luxurious, relaxing experience. These passes are perfect for a quiet afternoon of unwinding between ports or after a busy day on shore. By asking guest services early or checking the spot desk, you can secure a spot without paying the full price. This insider trick allows you to feel pampered and refreshed, making your cruise feel much more indulgent.
Number 15, priority tender boarding. When your cruise stops at ports that require tender boats, the lines can be long and exhausting, sometimes taking over an hour. Many passengers don't realize there's a way to skip most of the wait. Booking a ship-sponsored excursion usually gives you priority boarding automatically. If you're exploring independently, politely asking guest services early in the morning can sometimes secure you a pass for faster boarding. This insider tip saves a significant amount of time, leaving more hours to enjoy the port instead of standing in the sun. Being polite, early, and aware of procedures is the key. Small planning like this can turn a stressful disembarkation into a smooth, almost VIP experience that most passengers never enjoy.
Number 16, cabin smells aren't always yours. Sometimes when you walk into your cabin, it may have a strange smell that makes you wonder what's going on. Here's the secret. Ventilation systems often connect neighboring cabins, allowing scents from other passengers' food, perfumes, or colognes to drift into your space. This can be especially noticeable if someone next door orders spicy food or uses strong-smelling toiletries. If the odor persists or becomes unpleasant, politely speak to reception. Many ships can discreetly move you to another cabin, sometimes with a better view or quieter location. Most passengers never realize this is possible, assuming they are stuck. Understanding this trick helps you enjoy your cruise without unnecessary stress and reminds you that some problems aren't your fault.
And that's it. 16 hidden cruise tricks that save money, reduce stress, and make your trip unforgettable. Try even a few of these and you'll cruise like a seasoned traveler while everyone else makes the same mistakes. If you learned something new, hit like and subscribe. You don't want to miss the next insider secrets. Also, do you know why MSC cruises are so cheap? Click the video on your screen now and I'll see you in a moment. Happy cruising!